In Mpumalanga, the alarming rate at which sexual offence cases are being withdrawn has emerged as a serious barrier to justice. Many victims retract cases due to fear, intimidation, and lack of support, leaving perpetrators unpunished. The province recorded a significant spike in sexual offences with a 14.2% increase in the fourth quarter of 2024-25 when compared to the previous financial year.
The CGE therefore submits that intervention it's needed to address this high number of cases. They need to address the volumes that are increasing. It is noted that the SABC is also conducting outreach programs, which also contributes to the increase of reporting, but it lacks progress in terms of addressing its capacity in terms of handling those cases. Additionally, addressing this workload will also improve efficiency, protect staff, and ensure timely justice for victims and survivors.
Meanwhile, the Commission revealed that systemic barriers continue to hinder effective implementation of swift, accessible, and gender-inclusive mechanism to justice in KwaZulu-Natal. While the government has introduced measures to address these challenges, accountability still remains an issue.
We unearthed that there is no commitment to hold each other accountable, and therefore that brings to question the commitment to really realize the aspirations of the NSP. We've also unearthed in the NSP engagement in KwaZulu-Natal that the case management system is flawed and there is no proper coordination. There is no provincial oversight by the relevant authorities over these duty bearers.
Another major concern is the ongoing DNA testing backlogs, which continue to delay investigations and prosecutions. The report revealed that KwaZulu-Natal also faces a severe shortage of forensic nurses and psychologists, further slowing down case processing.
There's delays in receiving DNA results and availability of the actual courts, a building. It is not available in order to prosecute matters and hear matters, a problem that our country is facing. There is also shortage of prosecutors, essential to ensuring that the state is well represented, and availability of legal aid attorneys, delays in psychiatric and psychological reports, high numbers of the court roll matters, as well as testimony in cameras, which is prolonged.
The report notes that the roles and functions of Thuthuzela care centers remains unclear and inconsistently applied across provinces, with lack of proper coordination between the NPA and police.
There seems to be a lack of understanding regarding who has to do what between the South African Police Service and, at times, the National Prosecuting Authority. The clarity of roles becomes very much critical. The funding, the deliberate funding of the Thuthuzela care centers become critical importance, especially if we now understand and know that the victims that undergo this model tends to do well when it comes to criminal prosecution.
The Commission is urging all stakeholders to strengthen collaboration and ensure that every survivor receives justice and protection. Lerato Makula, SABC News in Johannesburg.